A nourishing smoothie for your hydrangeas. Your garden will be bursting with blooms. Everything you need is already at home and usually ends up in the trash. The first ingredient, peels from 2 bananas. Though often thrown away, they're packed with valuable minerals. A true natural elixir, they contain everything your flowers need to grow lush and healthy. They boost blooming and strengthen plant resistance. Chop them up and toss them into a blender. Next, add a few eggshells. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, they support root development and help build strong stems. Now it's time for dry used coffee grounds, a real treasure for plants. They're full of nitrogen, which encourages leaf growth and improves soil structure by enhancing drainage and moisture retention. Add 3 tablespoons to the blender. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of water to create a smooth, pourable fertilizer. Blend everything for about 2 minutes. You'll get a natural, eco-friendly liquid feed. Store it in a tightly sealed container and water your hydrangeas once a week. They'll reward you with lush blooms. It's like a home spa for your garden, and you'll notice the difference fast. 1 cup of this mixture can replace a large amount of manure. It's like liquid gold that will completely transform your garden. You won't need to buy expensive fertilizers anymore. Add 3 tablespoons of potato starch to a blender. It provides plants with 3 essential minerals: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all necessary for healthy growth. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which supports the development of beneficial soil microorganisms and increases organic matter, helping plants grow more vigorously. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties, improves nutrient absorption, and protects plants from diseases. Pour in 1 liter of cold water and blend everything thoroughly. Measure 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in 10 liters of water. Use this to water your plants and soil. This is an excellent natural fertilizer for vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will look like it came straight from a professional catalog. Sprinkle this on your tomatoes and cucumbers, and they'll reward you with huge harvests. It works better than store-bought fertilizer, and everything you need is already at home. Plants need regular feeding to grow healthy and produce abundantly. Without it, they quickly weaken, leaves turn yellow, and yields are poor. Homemade fertilizer is not only cheaper, but also completely safe for the environment. You can even use it if you have a small garden or grow vegetables in containers. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid to a bucket with about 1 1/3 gallons of water. Stir well until completely dissolved. Citric acid slightly acidifies the soil, which helps plants absorb important nutrients more easily. As a result, they grow faster, fuller, and become more resistant. It also helps reduce the spread of pathogens in the soil, lowering the risk of fungal diseases and improving the overall health of your crops. Water your tomatoes and cucumbers with this solution. Doing it once every 10 days is enough. The best time is in the morning or evening to avoid sunburn on the leaves. Try this natural mix and watch your tomatoes grow strong and healthy for a long time. The aphids disappeared after just 1 use. You won't find this in any store. All it takes is a few minutes and a homemade spray made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Aphids suck the sap from plants, weakening the leaves and making them more vulnerable to damage. Here's a simple way to make an organic solution that gets rid of pests in your garden. Pour about 1 1/4 cups of vinegar into a tall container. Vinegar disinfects and repels with its strong smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a natural ingredient from the neem tree that repels pests without harming plants. Next, add half a tablespoon of hot red pepper. It contains capsaicin, which has a strong smell and taste. Then add half a tablespoon of ground black pepper. The intense aroma drives aphids away. Add a little liquid soap to help the solution stick to the plants. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth. Add some water, then pour it into a spray bottle. This mixture works great on both vegetables and flowers. It's fast, natural, and effective. Use it as soon as you spot aphids. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Just a few drops are enough to make tomatoes healthy and strong. The fruits will be bigger and more flavorful than ever. The first ingredient is eggshells. They contain calcium, magnesium, and micronutrients that strengthen the root system and protect against diseases. Grind the shells into a fine powder. The finer it is, the faster it will dissolve. Pour about 2 cups of water into a tall container. Add the ground shells and stir well. The next ingredient is a banana peel. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, which affect the size, flavor, and ripening of the fruits. Cut 1 peel into smaller pieces and add it to the container. Now it's time for nettle. It strengthens plants and repels pests. It's also rich in nitrogen, iron, and silica, which boost plant resistance. Add 2 teaspoons. Mix everything well and let it sit for at least an hour. After that, strain the mixture through a strainer lined with gauze to remove the solids. Pour the liquid into a bottle. Add the prepared fertilizer concentrate to a bucket of water and mix well. Water the tomatoes once a week. You can also use it for cucumbers or peppers. Your plants will grow like crazy. You won't be able to keep up with the harvest. Gardeners don't want you to know this trick. Do it, and your plants will thank you. Prepare a large 10-liter bucket. Use a drill to make several holes at the bottom. Place pieces of egg cartons or cardboard at the bottom to create a drainage layer. Then add a plastic mesh to prevent soil from escaping through the holes. Now, fill the bucket halfway with good quality soil. Take a plastic container with a large opening and use a soldering iron to make several holes at the bottom and sides. Insert the container into the bucket, pressing it gently into the soil. Next, plant your seedling in the bucket and fill the space around it with soil, pressing it down lightly. Now take eggshells, banana peels, or other vegetable scraps and place them inside the plastic container. This will become your homemade compost, which will slowly decompose and provide your plant with valuable minerals and nutrients. Pour water into the compost container and then water the seedling. Thanks to this trick, your plant will receive natural fertilizer directly from the compost, helping it grow healthier, stronger, and faster.